Hi, buddy. Welcome to Abu Dhabi Skydive.
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
Good. I am excited.
Excited to jump out of an aircraft?
Sorry?
Excited to jump out of the
Yeah,
plane?
of course. Excited. Very excited.
You're going to love it. You're going to have a lot of fun.
Thank you.
Give me one of these.
Yeah.
Let's go do this.
Pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are.
Good. Very good. I'm excited. Oh, I want to do it again and again.
What was your favorite part? Did you have one?
Yeah, when I just jump in the plane,
Yeah.
it's awesome.
Dude, you did awesome. You should be super proud of yourself.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming out and jumping with us.
Yeah.
Give me one of those. Congratulations, buddy.